Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna shout out for my supporters, for my subscriber, for helping me reaching 100 today. Yay! Thank you very much for your support. And I would like also to thank Print and Go for my beautiful mug. Here I'm using it. I'm putting my hot choco. I love hot choco. So thank you very much. And let's go eat. I have a hot dog and eggs, sunny side egg, and fish. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.